Hey guys, this is John from Vapor Hunting Technologies. Today we're continuing our series on cleaning and restoring motorcycle parts and components. So today I have this cylinder. As you can tell, it's really greasy and grimy and dirty. Basically what we're going to do is we're going to use glass bead to clean and polish it up, and we're going to use the VH1000 HD. So let's get to it. So here we have the VH1000 HD. This is one of our industrial wet blasters. I'm telling you, this is a beast of a machine. Inside we have glass bead. I'm going to put the part inside. Glass bead is really particularly used for polishing and cleaning. It will, with the water and the compressed air, it will basically roll through the part, giving it a nice shiny finish. So I'm going to start off around probably like between 60 to 100 PSI. And then after that, I'm going to turn down the pressure to maybe below 40 to kind of give it like a burnishing effect. So let's try that out. And as you can see, immediate results. And that's like 80 PSI and using the VH1000 HD. So that looks great, so let's continue. So right now I'm going to be turning down the pressure, and I'll start doing the burnishing effect. All right, let's take a look. Looks beautiful. Now let's dry it up. Well, there you have it, guys. It looks fantastic. You know, going through the VH1000 HD with the glass bead. If you guys are interested in motorcycle restoration, rebuilds, if you have like a Honda 250 and you want to kind of restore it or get to this sort of polished finish, then wet blasting is the key. You know, with the water mixed with the abrasive and the compressed air, it will not damage your parts, because the water is cushioning the abrasive. And with the glass bead, it gives it this sort of nice and polished shine finish. So if you guys are interested in wet blasting, please give us a call at 828-202-5563. We also have a website, www.vaporhuntingtechnologies.com. You can follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.